Victor Ochieng-Opio, the director, Vica Schools, Ongata Rongai, our main center. In Ongata Rongai, we are at Kobil stage, next to Luna service station, or opposite Kobil stage. You will see Vica Schools there in the Mikau house. At the top, third floor, you will see a banner, big banner, in Vica Schools. Vica Schools is offering private KCSE, KCPE, and IGCSE tuition. We also assist in how to register for KCSE and KCPE. There's a STEM program that is going on also far. So now we are doing online classes also. We teach online through Zoom and Skype. We are able to teach live tutorials, whether you are in Kenya or beyond Kenya. We are able to reach you through the online system. But I want to talk about some challenges faced by private centers. Number one challenge is to organize adults to start learning, to start studying. Like many of them just want certificate of Form 4. A big number just want certificate, and they think certificate is there even without performing. If you perform poorly, the certificate won't help you. The person who sent you to look for certificate knew you need a good certificate. So a bad certificate is where you perform so low, you get poor grades, you get low grades. That certificate may not help you. So you need a good certificate. For the certificate to help you, it must be with good grades. Maybe you want to become a nurse. You must have scored C+, C+ in maths, or C+ in biology, maths, chemistry. So your performance in this cluster subjects, English, mathematics, also is needed. And most adults lie that I was in Form 3, I just want to do it in 1 year. When you get them to class, you discover this person that doesn't even know how to write compositions. They can't even do chemistry, biology well. So we tell them, please at least take 2 years. 2 years is enough for us. If you take at least 22 months, 22 months. It's not a 2 years of you started the 4 months, then you talk about I'm taking 2 years. No, 2 years, at least 20 to 22 months for you to study. At least we can take you through Form 1, Form 2 work, then we platform to Form 3 work. So our private center in Ongata Rongai, or Umoja Center. Umoja Center is at Umoja 1H, next to opposite police post Umoja 1, Nairobi. Umoja 1 has a police post, a police patrol base, or Umoja 1 primary, somewhere around there. You'll meet Vica Schools tutors. We are there to offer tuition. So we advise you that be open, be truthful when you join our centers. Say the truth so that we can help you and allow us to guide you. But many people lie to us when they get in, and they even say, I'm very bright, I want to read, I can make it, whether it is 6 months, whether it's 7 months. Like this year, we had a challenge. The exams were registered between 27th April to 14th May. So some of these people came to register in May. Then they want to do exam in the same year, 2022. And when they find the learning become hard for them, they want us to do things which are not doable. Now I'm being told, Mwalimu, why can't you use an adult like directing class? Mwalimu, why can't you change it to revision? There is something your brain must know before you know the other one. Because when your question is set, even if you want to revise, the question combined 3 classes, Form 1, Form 2, Form 3, or Form 4 combined, 4 classes, and it's one question. You must have idea Form 2 to answer a question in paper 1, idea in Form 1, idea in Form 3. So if you don't have some ideas, it becomes hard to teach this kind of adults. So adult learners should know that when a person says, we'll do these things in 2 years, please let know what 2 years is. 2 years is 22 months of study. Don't change the system. Don't crack the system. Don't bring pressure into our system. Please, bring pressure is whereby you want to do the impossible. You want to push things your way. You want to push things in a way that even the government can't allow you to do. Even the systems, even the teachers are now overweighted, pushed to the wall because of one person, you, who did not prepare well, who does not want to follow the protocols of learning, want to hack the system. You will fail if you want to force the process. The process is learn through the timing given. Attend your lessons, do the assignments. But if you come more clever than the teachers, it's better you'd have registered and wait for your E at home than coming to the center to confuse the learning. I'm talking to most private candidates in Kenya. not only in Nairobi or in our centers, even in Kericho, Mombasa, everywhere in this country. Let's learn to follow the procedure laid down. Many people know this and they're aware that private center you can learn for 2 years if you did KCP long time ago. Whether you are a repeating candidate, please give yourself time to recover from one, from two work. Learning after leaving books, you get into other worldly things. You forget about your classes. You need to know that even if you're doing a part-time class, give it 2 years process so that you may recover, you may come back to your mind and perform. But doing it less than 2 years is committing a great crime for your life. This is Mr. Victor Pio. I'm advising you to let these things be serious and the truth will set you free. Learn to accept the truth that for you to perform as a private candidate, you need enough time, at least 2 years. Doing it less than 2 years, you're putting pressure on yourself and on the teacher. Because teaching a person who's not understanding is not easy. A person who's not progressing is not easy. And progressive student, you're pushing to teach this person to understand things that are not easily understandable. For example, mathematics, they're intertwined. There's something in Form 1, Form 2, Form 3, which are combined and they're looking alike. There are things in Form 3 that are needed in Form 4. They are chemistry. There's a way they grow and they flow. So if you don't know the Form 1 work, even if you say you can do it yourself, which time? Time is just very short. Which time will you do it? And you have other things you are doing. What time will you do that thing alone, Sangapi, without alala? Because if you want to do something, say, I'll do it myself, at what time? Time is not there. So it allow us to work with you within the 2 years program. Vica Schools, Ongata Rongai, offering physical and online KCSE tuition. I'm Mr. Victor Pio, the director of Vica Schools. I'm advising you to take right decisions, make right decisions, take good steps towards success. Success is preparation, meeting opportunity. Let's not hack the process. Let's not mess the development process in your life. You'll keep coming back and going forth and wasting money and time. Let's be wise. Let's be wise. A wise person allows to be guided and follow the guidelines given. Stupidity is doing a wrong thing many times. Wisdom is learning and improving and doing things better. God bless you. I'm Mr. Victor Pio, here for you for quality adult education services in Kenya and beyond, online and physical. Welcome to Vica Schools.